Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, sorry, there was a problem with your request. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to check your internet connection. So just first thing, just close your Instagram app and just reopen it, and if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just open it, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again, and if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, you just need to go to the general again, just find here reset and just tap on reset network settings. So this is the way also how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.